For this video, I'll show you how to update data on the database. We use this for example, if we want to edit a data or a record on the database. So for this example, uh, I'll edit data number ID number 6. So Dirk Benedict. So I'll change the last name of this record to Tudao. So how will I do that? So just type update space and then the table name, sample table, and then press type set which field you want to update. So for me, the last name is equal to what data would you like to update it to, space, enter, and then where, what is the ID. Usually when editing, deleting, we always refer to the ID as because it's the primary key, where ID is equal to 6 semicolon. So let's see if it works. Press F9 to execute. One row has been affected, and then let's check. Go to the select statement, press F9. You'll see that Dirk first name, last name has been edited or updated to Tutao. So that's how we update data on SQL.